Okay, I think we're recording. We're going to take a look at these work problems. The idea with these work problems is how much work, what part of the job are you completing on a per unit basis, per unit of time. Like here we're working in hours, so we want to look at each individual and say what part of the job are they completing per hour. So if we assume that they work at a constant rate, if Stephanie can tar a roof in 12 hours, she can do one job per 12 hours. So as each hour goes by, she's getting 1/12 of the job done. Mary can tar a roof, the same roof, in 15. You know, you made fun of me for saying theater today. I bet you you're going to make fun of me for saying roof. Now, I don't know if it's roof or roof. Roof, that sounds better. Let's let X be the number of hours that Mary and Stephanie need to complete the job working together. They're working together. So all we have to do now is add the 1/12 plus the 1/15. Alright. If we use a common denominator of 60, then we'll multiply this by 5/5. We'll multiply this by 4/4, or you can just use a calculator, I suppose, and see if your calculator doesn't give us 5 plus 4 is 9. I'll check it on my calculator just to make sure I don't make a silly mistake this late after school. Oh, 3/20, because 9/60 reduces, I should have seen that. The calculator is going to give you your fraction in lowest terms. Both of these numbers are divisible by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 60 divided by 3 is 20. If I take the reciprocal of each side, if I flip the 3/20, I've got to flip the 1/x. So I get that excuse me, that 20 divided by 3 is 6 2/3 of an hour. So 6 2/3 of an hour. Now 2/3, 1/3 of an hour is 20 minutes. So in 6 hours 40 minutes, that Stephanie and Mary can complete the job working together in 6 hours and 40 minutes. So they can complete the job in 6 2/3 hours. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. Castell needs 13 hours to pick 40 bushels of apples. So we're going to assume that 40 bushels of apples is one job. Amanda can pick the same amount of bushel, the 40 bushels, in 9 hours. And if they work together, how long would it take them? So this problem is the same as the last problem. The idea that let's let X be just like the number of hours. Castile and Amanda need to complete the job. And they're working together. So during the first hour that they're working together, Castile can do 1/13 of the job by himself. Now Amanda can do 1/9 of the job by herself, and so we don't know yet how many complete hours it would take them working together. We're going to call that X. So on a per hour basis working together, they get 1/x of the job done. So if we add these fractions together, if we have 1/13 and we add 1/9, I get this decimal number, but remember your scientific calculators can convert that to a fraction. So 22 over 117 is 1 over x. If we take the reciprocal of each side, we get 117 over 22, and as a mixed number, let's see, 117 divided by 22, we know that it's going to be approximately 5.32 hours if we subtract 5 and convert that decimal number to a fraction over 22. Alright. So then you want some type of a short sentence, some type of a quick summary that includes your units and what it represents. So last time we said Mary and Stephanie can complete the job in such hours. So Castile and Amanda can complete the job in approximately 5.32 hours. I just pinched my finger and almost yelled on. Oh. All right, so that's number 2. I'm going to stop it and do these shorter videos in pairs of. So I'm going to stop this one, and then in the next video I'll go on.